Hello again everybody and welcome to another hand feeding video. Today we are doing the 3 younger cockatiels. Looks like the feathers that have come in, looks like we have 3 pearls in this group. And as you'll see here, 2 of the pearls are not your usual pearl. Let's do the first one, our usual pearl. You see the colors on this one. Well, there's some amazing colors on this baby. Very, very hungry looking. Cockatiels are always very hungry, so let's feed her. Always a good, strong feeding response. These 3 babies are the first babies of a new pair that I set up last year. I've been trying to breed more of the pearls and the white faces. Ooh, that is a full crop. She took about, I see 8-9 cc there. Such a pretty baby. Wonderful colors on this one. And they're very calm. They're not flying and flapping around like some of the other babies during a hand feeding. You see she still has a lot of feathers still to come in under the wings. That's always the last part to come in, but she's got a full mantle on her back. Now let's go for one of the whiteface pearl. I believe it's pearl, might be pied. I'll do a little more checking. And look at that. That's some beautiful feathers on this one. Very alert baby. The crest is all the way up. A lot of lights, eh? Temperature's good. Oh, there we go. It's been a full 4 hours since their last feeding and they are famished. I am starving them. They're only being fed 5 times a day and that's not exactly to their liking. Like, yes, dear, even like in a half an hour they'll be screaming for more food. Like, yes, we've had dinner. How about second dinner? Followed by third dinner. There's a big crop in this guy again. Fill her right up. No yellow at all, but see some blue around the eyes. That's just the skin tone. Take a look at the third. Heavy, and it's a light gray. Could be like a cinnamon white face pied or pearl. I'm not really gonna look it up and do any official naming until they are fully feathered. You can see the color difference between, oops, where are you going? This one and this one. One is much darker, one is much lighter. Oh, they're so warm. Right out of the brooder. And maybe I can give you a little sample of what they sound like. Such angelic little voices. Oh. Put that back on. Ooh, go. I got my beard stuck there. Some fresh formula. A very strong feeding response. A very good sign at this age. They've got a brooder all to themselves now because they've gotten to that age where they can climb out of those little plastic pet tubs. Those pet tubs are very, very handy. They're made for reptiles, to incubate reptiles, and they're made to withstand high heat without off-gassing. They're they're pricier than your Rubbermaid Walmart tubs, but they're still inexpensive enough that I can afford to replace them often. Oh, wonderful colors on these guys. And of course, there are more babies in the nest, so they'll have company in the brooder next door, but these guys will be brought up in just a group of 3. They'll be getting lots of extra attention. There we go. They're getting bigger. Not much longer now. They'll be flying around and crashing into walls, crashing into the ceiling, into the TV, into the side of my head. Clumsy flyers, but they got to learn somehow. And it's a good thing to do it in a nice bird-safe room. Not too big so that they can't get too much speed. Yeah, you'd eat more if I gave it to you, wouldn't you? Yeah, but you're full. They're all full. I'm back into the brooder with them. Tomorrow is hand feeding. I'll probably do one of the younger condors, including the mystery baby. I'm pretty sure the mystery baby is a green cheek of some sort. He's just a lot darker than all the others. It'll be interesting to see what happens when he gets full grown. Until then, I get to hear these guys screaming at me whenever I come into the room. Well, see you next time.